AM PM program BioNTech AM PM program. The AM PM program by BioNTech provides natural energy all day long and optimum nutrition. When you drink your AM drink at the beginning of the day, which consists of BioNTech products specifically designed to be taken at the beginning of the day, as you absorb the nutrients your body needs to function, you will be completely energized throughout the day. Your body will reward you and perform at its best. The PM drink has products designed for at the end of the day or evening, before you go to bed. You will restore your body's daily balance of vital mineral and nutrients such as calcium, and enjoy more restful complete sleep. You will enjoy a calm night of rest and wake every morning revitalized. Aloe Plus Soothing Digestive Support BioAlert Super Focus Solution Biofuel Premium Daily Multivitamin BioNight Sleep Easy Solution CalMag 100 Optimal Bone Health Relaxation Formula GetGo N Plus All Day Energy Related Posts BioNTech Liquid Vitamins All Day Energy Program Deluxe Nutritional Energy Program ADHD Fish oil is more effective than prescribed drugs.